Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this short and basic video, I will show you how to add Facebook to your Amazon profile account. So here, firstly, you need to sign in that account. Now here you will see the option, your profiles. Click on it. Here click on Amazon. Now edit. Here you can add your public information, bio, share a detail, something about you, share your current job, website, location, where you live, and also guys here is the option add Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram. Copy your Facebook URL, then paste here, then save it. Oh, this is the way you can add social media to your Amazon profile. Thanks for watching.